Good morning, students. Very warm welcome to you all in class of grammar. Students, you all remember well, we started a new chapter in a vocabulary section of grammar, that is suffixes. We are forming new words by adding some suffixes at last of some words, that is verb or noun, and in this way the new words so formed are of great importance for all of us. We require them, we use them. So let us learn some more suffixes today. As you already learned in the last video session, last day class or video session, 8 suffixes that I introduced, and I explained you how these suffixes make new words by adding in the last of some verb or noun. Here we have some more suffixes today. Before going further about new suffixes, let us see what is suffix. That first let us remind you, and you must make it fresh. A letter or a set of letters which are added to some words to make new words, to form new words, are called suffixes. A word, it is not necessary we add a group of words only. Sometimes we add only single letter to some words and make new words. Like mood, moody, choose, choosy. So in this way, sometimes we add only single word. Sleep, sleepy. Thirsty, thirst, thirsty. So in these words, we add only Y to make new words. Here, we have learned what is suffix. Now we shall further proceed to learn more suffixes and how they help us to form new words for our requirements, to make our English influencing, impressive, beautiful. And you must be practicing. You must use these words, form new words by using these suffixes. The suffix IC is here suffix which are added in some words to make new words. Like the word is here comedy. Here the word is comedy which becomes comic. We have removed some letters at last here from the word comedy and we have made here comic. Comedy becomes comic. Poet is formed poetic by adding IC at last of poet. Poetic. Atom. Atomic. Atom becomes atomic by adding IC at the last of the word. You know, these words have different uses. Where you can use poet, you can't use poetic. Where you can use poetic, you can't replace that word by the word poet. Like you see, Rabindranath Tagore was a great poet. Shakespeare was a great poet. William Wordsworth a great poet. I have learnt about a poet. Here the poet has some certain meaning here. And when you tell, he has got a poetic mind. He is explaining the scene in a poetic style. So here the word poet and poetic both have different meanings in these two different places. Here you have next word atom. Atom becomes atomic. So let us see now next the suffix IVE. IVE. That is the suffix means IVE is added to some words to make new words. Sense, sensitive. The word sense you know very well, that is verb, sense. When we are really sensing something, okay, that becomes a sensitive by adding IVE at last of it. Construct becomes constructive. Word construct becomes constructive. He has got a constructive mind. Here, express becomes here expressive by adding IVE at last of express, this verb. All these are verbs, sense, construct and express. and new words are formed here: sensitive, constructive and expressive. So let us see some more here examples of some suffixes and the new words so formed by adding these suffixes. The suffix OUS. Next is suffix OUS. Noun, that is your fame, danger and mystery, are changed by adding OUS here. These are few examples. You may have several here such words in the exercise in the book, and you may try and you may do. Later on I will discuss that one. Fame becomes famous by adding OUS. Danger, dangerous, you use most often, dangerous. Mystery becomes mysterious by adding here OUS. So here in this way you can go to next, that is suffix ly. Ly, that is what here? Ly. Here noun or adjective. Here student, my mysterious here, I is here, here wrong here, misprint, I, mysterious will be TEROUS, mysterious. Here will be the suffix ly, that is added in noun also, adjective also. Honest becomes honestly, honest, honestly. Mother, motherly. You can see here ly is added at last of honest, becomes honestly. And here is mother, motherly. Slow, slowly. Very clear. It's quite clear all of you how they are changed. Here mysterious spelling, my dear, will be MYST, okay, TRIOUS, mysterious. Sorry, mysterious, TEROUS, mysterious. So please, you will correct that one, as that was a misprint there. Next one you see, next one. That is here. Next, the suffix, that is Y, just Y, single letter Y. Mood becomes moody by adding Y. Choose becomes choosy, adding Y. Anger becomes angry, adding Y at last of these words. Some of them are here verb, some of them are noun. Okay, mood, moody, choose, choosy, choosy is here verb. Mood is noun, anger is what here? No doubt noun and verb, both form it is used. Okay, so you have seen here how these suffixes help us to form or make new words according to our need. Wherever and whatever we need to express, we need these here words. The suffix some, S-O-M-E, some, that is whole. Here sometimes it is here added in noun, in sometimes in verb. Whole become wholesome, S-O-M-E. Tire, tiresome. Awe, awesome. So these words are very common to you, and you all have used many times these words, you have heard them. Here in next one, next suffix, that is here AR, the suffix AR. Here are noun like anger, table, suckle. How they are just changed into new words. You can see angle becomes angular, table, tabular, circle, circular. You can see at last of AR that is added and made new words. Next you can see here, next that is here suffix LIK, like. LIK, like. This is suffix, and like is itself a complete word also. It has its meaning, like. Here the word that is noun, lady and child, they have been made a new word by adding LIK, like at last of it. Lady, ladylike. Child, childlike. So in this way you have seen here the new words that is formed by adding these here suffixes. In exercise A there were 20 words. 10 words I had told you last day, and I had told you to solve the further 10 words, next 10 words, so that you can match today how they are changed into new words, which suffixes are added in these words. Service, serviceable, service that is given in your exercise, and you have to change that one into new words by adding suffixes. Service, serviceable. learn, learned, horror, horrible, small, a smallish, fool, foolish. Here is next word, collect, collective, poet, poetic. You have already changed here some of the words already. Clone, cloning by adding ing in cloning. Express, expressive. Sparing, sparingly by adding ly in it. So let us see now exercise B. You have here B exercise, and there are also some, in this exercise you have been given the suffix. You have to make new words using these suffixes like IV, AL, LESS, ED, able, ABLE, full, IBLE, some, SOME, then is here LY, OUS. So the words that is here formed, and you can also form new words. I have here given you some example, but you can form yourself some other words as well from the same suffix. IV will become impressive. Here in impress, impressive. AL, coastal, less, fearless. ED, dreaded, in word dread, dreaded. Able, readable, which can be read easily, that is readable. Full, beautiful, in the word beauty, beautiful. IBLE, visible. Some, tiresome. Right now we discussed, we added SOME in word tire, tiresome. LY, costly. OUS, dangerous. So these were some of the examples that I have given you. You are free that you too can add here. You can make here new words by adding these here suffixes. So you please practice the rest of the exercises, and I will discuss in the class. So thank you all students being with me in the class, joining and learning these here new set of suffixes. You have already here seen the formation, how we form the words and their uses as well. You can just use them in your daily practical here spoken. So thank you students, thank you very much being with me.